The linear economic model, with its exhaustive use of natural resources and intensive manufacturing activities, has created all forms of waste and externalities, which naturally leads to greenhouse gas emissions and its resulting climate crisis. The following initiatives serve to illustrate how Taiwanese companies and industries can and plan to reduce carbon emissions through circular collaboration. In 2021, Taiwan established its first ground-up design of a sustainable living compound, housing 351 for-rent-only units. The circular building design integrated layers concept, building information modeling, and modular design, which increases the circularity of materials. Owners and equipment vendors worked together and adopted servitization to extend the life of these appliances. The compound provides multifaceted sustainability with water recycling system and roof farms for fish and vegetables. This circular village was made possible through collaboration across the proprietor, architects, builders, and more. Transportation has been a hot topic of late, with everyone going green. Instead of purchasing and owning vehicles, people now have multiple options for modes of transportation. Among them, bike sharing made public transportation more widely adopted. Taiwan has now implemented an extensive bike sharing network. The success of the bike sharing network is rooted in its design for durability and the support of highly integrated system vendors, especially for maintenance services, to ensure smooth operations and increase the usage of bikes. Self-sufficient energy operation system also allowed for bike stations to be widespread and organized. This collaboration between citizens, bike suppliers, and the governments makes green transportation a part of daily life. In the food industry, Taiwan has explored the opportunity to utilize 5 million tons of agricultural byproducts produced annually. For example, coffee grounds account for 99.8% of each cup of coffee. Thus, Taiwan has developed a series of innovative technologies that enable high-value utilization of the coffee grounds, meaning repurposing unutilized resources into diverse areas. Coffee grounds are getting converted into alternative media for mushrooms, and along with its deodorizing effect, can be used as functional additives for fabrics and insoles, whereas coffee oil is being used for making shampoo. Turning coffee grounds into resources prevents emissions and also decreases other industries' dependency on fossil-based materials. Using recycled materials to replace virgin materials is crucial in decreasing CO2 emissions from textile manufacturing. Taiwan is well versed in transforming PET bottles and fabrics into raw materials. Every year, Taiwan turns 100,000 tons of plastic bottles into PET pellets, resulting in significantly less energy use and CO2 emissions compared to virgin materials. Not only has this technology saved Taiwan from importing tons of fossil-based materials, it also supplies the world with more than 70% of functional fabrics. Furthermore, Taiwan manufacturers have designed PET material-only clothing, which is intended to be recycled and remade as other clothes. Each of these are linked closely with one another, again facilitating the collaboration between suppliers and the consumers. Electronics has become integral to modern life, with most of its manufacturing done in Asia, as Taiwan exports over $135 billion in value for electronics in 2020. With solid manufacturing experience, Taiwanese electronic supply chain encourages international brands to practice circular product concepts from using recycled material to increasing process efficiency. Locally, semiconductor companies and suppliers work together in purifying used chemicals and water for reuse, as well as remanufacturing modularly designed machines. Used electronics found new life through refurbishing services that guarantee high quality and traceability. Renewed products can even be used via product-as-service model. When electronics can no longer be used, an electroplating technology can extract precious metals as materials for new products. Every collaboration is vital in turning electronics circular. Given the complexity of the global electronics supply chain, more brands are urged to collaborate in order to scale up these initiatives that aim to reduce emissions and bring zero-waste products to the world.
In Taiwan, we firmly believe attaining net zero is a collective goal and generational responsibility for all countries everywhere. Building cross-border collaborations is the long-term and resilient solution to mitigate the climate crisis. In today's highly interdependent global community, no single country nor company can ascertain net zero and mitigate climate crisis on its own. Taiwan, as a key manufacturing-based economy and a champion for the CC4CC framework, is uniquely positioned to bring together key stakeholders from both the manufacturing and consumption-based economies for extensive and well-aligned circular collaboration dialogues.